Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk European mango farms to see how they cultivate and harvest this fruit. With a large farming area, the farms here usually harvest about 40,000 tons of mangoes per year. And the importance of a mango is a great because it have cultivated for over 4,000 years. Hundreds of types of mango exist, each with its own character, taste, shape, size, and color. The fruit is not only delicious but also boasts an impressive nutritional profile. In fact, studies link mango and its nutrients to survival health benefits. Such as improved immunity and digestive health. Late spring is the best time when the farmers here start planting mango trees. Steel wire is used to help the mango trees grow stably without any tilting. The time from planting mango trees to harvesting on these farms is usually about 2 to 3 years. This is the time when mango trees here bloom, and it takes about 105 more days to start the harvesting process. These mangoes are already ready for harvest. Depending on time, height of the mango tree, the farms here will also use different harvesting methods. Would you like to go to a large mango farm like this and pick ripe mangoes yourself? Tons of mangoes after harvesting will be sent to factories for packing or for juice production. At this factory, mangoes are washed, sorted and packed before being shipped to supermarket. In addition, tons of mangoes here will also be exported to other countries. Have you ever catched or eaten a frozen mango? All the mangoes here will be peeled and then cut into small pieces. Hygiene in the factory is also very carefully watched. Tons of mangoes after harvesting will be sent to factories for packing or for juice production. At this factory, mangoes are washed shortly and packed before being shipped to supermarket. In addition, tons of mangoes here will also be exported to other countries. How do you feel about the cultivation and harvesting of mangoes in this video? Let us know what do you think. Please pin your comments on the comment section of this video and stay with us. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and please subscribe.